guys, ShivHax here, back with our video, and today I'm going to be testing out this phone holder from Visnfa. Now this phone holder can be used on bicycles and on motorcycles. This is great for answering calls or video calls or even doing video shooting, just like an action camera. So let's start unboxing, but before that I would like you to subscribe to my channel. So let's start unboxing our new phone holder. So let's open the box. So there we have our instruction manual, and right over here we have our two things, the handlebar clamper and our phone holder. So the phone holder has an amazing design, like it looks quite professional and it's sturdy as well. And on the side there we have the adjuster so we can adjust the phone, and right over here we have the lever so that you can lock the phone and unlock it so that the phone does not fall. And there we have the handlebar clamper. Now there is the hole, so you need to clamp it onto the handlebar. So now let's go and install it on my bike. So right over here you can see that the phone is not fitting in, so I need to adjust the size of the phone holder according to the size of the phone. And now if I test it, it goes in. And now you need to lock it so that your phone stays in place.